some dirt here. So this is cake crumbs and also some cookie crumbs mixed together to make it look more like potting soil. And we'll just put a few of these here and there, and it just kind of that pops the color a little bit. Get that off the hat. Well, I guess dirt can be on the hat. I'll use a brush in a second to get some of that off. Doesn't need a ton, just needs some, okay, like that. Okay, I've got some blue, like a light blue in the bag. I've got a little bit of white. This is a tip number 2, and the white has a tip number 2. This is a tip 349, which is a small leaf tip. And I took a little bit of the darker green that was for the ground there and mixed it with this other green here, which is more of like electric green. And I'm gonna fill this bag to do some leaves that are a slightly different color. That off to the side. Okay, let's start with the water. So I'm going to take the blue and just like the water's kind of poured out here a little bit. Now I kind of like it to have a little swirl of white in it, so I just take the white with the tip and just kind of keep the tip embedded in the icing and just kind of swirl it in like so. And then we can do a little bit over here on the watering can. Kind of have it oozing out a bit, like so. Another cool thing we could do is come back to the potting soil. And just take, we can even do some leaves here. This is at 349. What I can do is take this and squeeze and pull a little leaf up and up like that. Put a little bit down here, and then take the potting soil, put some on top there on that pot. I'll do a little bit here. Do some leaves coming up that actually kind of come on the side on this one. And just kind of push just a bit right in there. Okay. I said I'd come back with a brush and kind of dust a little this off. And then we need some leaves up here. So I'm just squeeze, let it attach, and then pull the tip away. So this looks like a bird beak is what it looks like. It's got a slit in the middle, and you just have one at the points touching, squeeze, and then pull away. It's the easiest leaf tip to use. And then down the side here. You can do some by the roses maybe. And this will just kind of brighten up. Got chocolate in that one too. And if you want, you can also have, you know, just like a little bit of a vine coming up here, even if it just had leaves on it, or you can add flowers to it, just to add more color to the back. And it can even come up on top, so it's just not so plain. And even if you want it to come down the back like this, add more roses. Okay, so there we have it. Just need to clean it up a little bit. And that is an adorable little cake for spring, Mother's Day, or anyone that just loves to garden.